It is exercise comparing my family. Hello everyone, my name is Yesenia Lisette Agudelo Ramirez. I am going to tell a lot about my family and especially about my mother. Her name is Maria Esmenia Ramirez. She is 51 years old and she is great. My mother is taller than my father, but shorter than my two brothers. She is thinner than my father, but fatter than me. She has a darker skin color than me, but the skin color is lighter than my father's. She is happier than my brothers, and she is stricter than my father's. Bye. Thank you.